Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. So guys, before I play this video, I just want to clarify some few things. Ngicela ukucacisa izintonyana ezimbalwa. Kunama followers e-Amazon TV abacomplaina ngokuthi why are you speaking English course umZulu and ulandelwa abantu abamnyama. No, akubona abantu abamnyama kuphela. Ama followers e-Amazon TV, it's a mixture of abamhlophe, whites, Indians, even if it's not a white and Indian people. Kunabantu like people from maybe Free State, Northwest, abanga-understand isiZulu kahle kahle. Bayasizwa here and there, but sometimes you'll find them even themselves complaining on a comment section ukuthi I'm trying to understand some few things, but it's difficult if you are speaking isiZulu or the original isiZulu. So don't be surprised or ask yourself imibuzo eminingi ukuthi why is she speaking English because she is a Zulu. I'm trying to accommodate bonke abantu, everyone, labo like Tswana, Sotho, people from Thohoyandou abakhuluma isiVenda. Some of them they don't even understand isiZulu. Whites, South Africans, even people from outside, not only in South Africa or Africa. We have followers UK, sometimes US, even Jamaica. So please don't be offended ukuthi why are you speaking only isiZulu? You have to speak English, or why are you speaking English? You have to speak isiZulu. What I decided to do ukuthi I will mix. I will try to mix because it's very difficult ukuthi I will speak in Zulu then translate in English. It will be very difficult for me. So from now on, I will try my best to mix English and Zulu, not deep in Zulu, not deep in English. I will be neutral so that I will accommodate everyone, because if I'm trying to translate after speaking Zulu, then I'll translate to English. It means the video will be like 30 minutes. It will be too long for even for you to watch. So that's what I said. Let me just clarify to you. So let's get into this video, guys.
So they are like, so you put right? Sure. How come you're here in South Africa? How did you come to in South Africa selling fish?
I didn't come to South Africa today. I'm here for a long time.
Yeah.
Never
ask you how long have you been here? I said, how come you're in South Africa selling fish from Nigeria?
How come? Well, this is what I'm doing for living. I don't know why I'm saying this, but the only thing is what I'm doing to feed my children.
Where are your children?
They're in my house.
In my house?
Yeah, around here.
Oh, yeah, in South Africa?
Yeah, in South Africa here.
How long have you been? How much is inside?
My son now, my first son is 18 years old. Just think about that.
From now on, no illegally foreign sell nothing in there.
Do not want any
Everybody knows me.
foreigners here.
Even this Baba know me very well.
No.
You don't care if he knows you or not. We don't want foreigners in this town.
From now on.
We are fixing our South Africa now. We don't want foreigners. You are illegal or not.
I'm married here.
Don't care.
My
Take
children
your wife
here.
and go home. Take your wife, then take your wife and go home.
Huh?
Take your wife and go back to your country. It's fine. You are married. That's fine.
Although she's late now, I have children to raise.
Take your children and go raise them at home.
Don't waste your time, Baba. We are not playing.
No, you see,
All right,
I'm not fighting with you.
Okay, now.
We cannot fight with us. We cannot fight with us. We are addressing you. The word fight, we haven't said anything about fighting. What we are saying is from now on, we don't want to see you here. This is your last day seeing you here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or do you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
All the way from Nigeria just to sell second-hand clothes. No, guys.
Okay, now. Not tomorrow.
Clear up.
Now.
Clear up.
Baba, don't waste your time. We're serious. We are serious. Why are you sitting down? Because we're talking to you.
What's wrong? This is not Nigeria.
I'll close.
Close it. Now.
Close now. Close now. Close. Now, close.
Boy.
Now, close.
Before you have the time. I'm close. I'm closing.
Don't close. You are standing, you are not closing. Close.
You know, these people, they are trying by all means to make us to look bad emhlabeni ukuthi sibukeke njengabantu aba-heartless, as if we are wicked as South Africans. Why? Because they are refusing to fix their problems in their own countries. That is a problem. The painful part is that our leaders, our government sympathize with these people, but they don't sympathize with the youth of this country or abangasebenzi. They don't sympathize with South Africans ahleli under the bridges because of these people. And bayazi, they know ukuthi laba bantu badayisa upowder. They know ukuthi laba bantu they are hijacking buildings. They know ukuthi laba bantu ba-trafficka abantu, badayisa abantu. Bazi izinto zonke ukuthi laba bantu benza i-419 baskema abantu. They know everything. Even ukuthi they are taking our jobs, they are a cheap labor eSouth Africa. Bayakwazi konke lokho ukuthi yini le ekhosa unemployment for South Africans. But they know everything. But they sympathize with them more than their own citizens, abantu ababavotelayo. But I'm not surprised because we now know ukuthi silidwa wobani. Sesiyazi iMadlanga, uGeneral Mkhwanazi usenze wasembulela iveyili ebekade imboziwe singazi ukuthi kunani ngaphansi. iMadlanga is exposing everything. Sesiyazi ukuthi kungani laba bantu be-heartless toward us, be-prioritize, be-favor igebengu ezinye, their fellow criminals than us. Because bayazi ukuthi igebengu laba bantu ababa-protectayo, bazi kahle. Bafuna kuvulwa amabhoda ukuze izinto zabo izohamba kahle nalabantu. It's clear manje ukuthi kungani yonke lento ibiyenzeka. OMalema are mentioned, even i-head of state nalo igama layo lokhu livela. So that is it. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you so much. Bye.